All right, number 7 for the things that we can do to start ranking better on Google to help our Google Business Profile land in that coveted map pack spot that gets 42% of the local searches, build the business of our dreams, make the money you finally deserve. The 7th thing you can do here is internal linking throughout your site. It's the 18th and the 24th ranking factor on their study. You can see interlinking across the entire website, 24 interlinking between interlinks, internal, sorry. Ugh. Woo! Sorry. Internal links to your Google Business Profile landing page and other pages from other pages throughout your site. So what that means is that your Google Business Profile landing page is what you have listed as your website on your Google Business Profile, right? So right here, whatever this website is, this is what Google's calling your Google Business Profile landing page. And so what Google wants to see is Google wants to see other pages on your site linking back to your Google Business Profile landing page. They want to see interlinking between the two. So you can see an example of this here is we have a city page, Newport Beach. We're going to do some information on Newport Beach to tell Google, hey, we're in Newport Beach, etc. And so what we can see here is we have a link back to our landing page. So you can see here when it comes to home service residents, Newport Beach rely on professional services like Flamingo Window Pro. Boom, you click on that. What does it do? It takes you back to our GBP landing page. And so Google wants to see interlinking throughout your site. And another thing that Google's using for interlinking is like your your header navigation. So the navigation links up here in your header. And then also your footer, the links in your footer. So your blog, service area, your privacy policy, all these things. And so going over why it's important, Google likes to see that. Like I said here, footer links, navigation links. Why does Google like to see that? This helps Google's little bots that crawl the internet figure out the structure of your site and make sure that the user experience of your site is good, right? So if we have pages on our website that aren't linked anywhere else, how is a user supposed to get there? They'd only have to type it in. Google doesn't like to see pages that aren't unlinked, right? But if Google's bots can go on your first page and they can click over to the second page, and then click over to your service pages, and then click over to your city pages, and then go back to the first page, the Google Business Profile landing page, from your city page or something like that, Google loves to see the interlinking between your site, and helps them figure out how your site is actually structured. And so yeah, that's a little bit on kind of interlinking between the site and just something you can do. So basically a super simple action item on this is just make sure you have basic navigation set up that's taking you to all the pages. Make sure you have a basic footer set up taking you to the privacy policy, blog, any relevant pages. Make sure we're not having any unlinked pages unless it's like your thank you page or something you don't want to rank or something you don't want to come up, which you can just put a no index tag on it, but that's a video for another day. But yeah, basically an action item there is just go to one of your blogs, go to one of your city pages, go to one of your service pages, and just add a call to action, right? Add a call to action where you're linking back to your main page. So yeah, professional window cleaning services, boom, linking right back to our main Google Business Profile. Our main Google Business landing page. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that kind of goes over internal linking, what it is. It's pretty simple setup. You're probably already doing it decent with your header and your footer, but just go to some of your additional pages and link back to your home page, which is probably your Google Business landing page. You want to make sure you're linking back to that Google Business landing page, the website that you have on your Google Business Profile. Hope I explained that well. If you do have any questions at all, once again, pop them in the community or go ahead and put one of our group coaching calls on your calendar. We'll walk through it together, make sure you're set up and giving you the best chance to rank in that coveted map pack. All right, I'll see you in the next one.